So I'm trying out a new recipe for my hair. This is a DIY whipped shea butter mixed with oils. And if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. I am using the double boiler method to melt my shea butter. This is the safest way because you still get the quality and the benefits of the shea moisture. I bought this at Clicks. It was very affordable. There were other shea butter as well, but I chose this one because the budget was a bit tight. Then I add the olive oil. I bought this a long time ago at Food Lovers. It was a special, but you can buy this at any shop. I then add the coconut oil. I also bought this a long time ago at Checkers, and I've seen that they don't have this one anymore. I love that one actually. Then I add the rosemary oil, just a few drops, like 5 6, I don't know. I'm just eyeballing it. And the next one is the bergamot essence, also just a few drops. So the bergamot essence, the rosemary oil, they have a low pH level, like they are very acidic. And then I add the clove oil as well, nalke olie. I bought this at Spar a few days back. This has also a very low pH level. It's acidic as well. And I'm adding this for my high porosity hair. I want something that can close my cuticles. My cuticles are open. I want it to close so that I can keep the moisture in. So I'm making this butter, this whipped shea butter. So I put it in the fridge for a few minutes because it's better to whip the mixture while it's more solid than mixing it while it's still in its liquid form. So I just whip the mixture until it's in a creamy texture. Then I'm all done. I'm gonna put this in a glass container. I really love the smell. I can smell the bergamot essence a lot, but I like that citrus smell, and the texture, it feels very, very smooth. So I'm gonna enjoy this on my hair, definitely, yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.